how to deposit money in Get.io from your bank account. First, open the Get.io app and log in. If you don't have an account yet, create an account, sign up and verify your identity. It's required for bank deposits. Tap the wallet icon at the bottom, then select deposit here. You will see crypto and fiat options. Choose fiat, pick your local currency like USD or Euro, and select bank transfer as the payment method. Get.io partners with third-party providers for this option, may vary by region. Enter the amount you want to deposit. Double check fees and processing times, they're listed here. Confirm the details, then tap next. You will now see instructions to transfer funds to Get.io's partner account. Important, include the reference code provided to ensure your deposit is credited correctly. Open your bank's app or website to send the money. Once the transfer is done, Get.io will notify you. Deposits usually take 1 to 3 business days. Your balance will update automatically. And that's it. Always enable 2FA for security and check regional restriction. If you get stuck, drop a comment or contact Get.io support. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.